Hello, traders. You are warmly welcome to today's broad. I am super excited, guys. Why am I excited? Well, I'm so excited because all my speculation is online. My guys call me the forest beast. Man, I'm not gonna. That title is a title that I think is overboard. But however, I wouldn't say I'm the forest beast, but I just want to tell you that whenever you have cracked this thing, forest becomes easy. Okay? I don't come here to do hypes. You know me firsthand that I don't come here to do hypes. Whatever I tell you is what you see in the market. Now, I just want to give you an announcement that remember last week, 2 weeks ago, we banked over 2,056 pips in gold. The other week we banned over 1,000 plus pips in gold. 2 weeks ago, 1,000 pips. Last week we banked over 2,056 pips in gold. But guys, I want to tell you the real day today. We have banked over 5,000 pips trading gold as of yesterday. What I'm telling you is live. I'm going to show you the proof from the chart. Okay, guys. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe to this channel, like and subscribe to this channel. You can't just be watching my videos and you are not subscribing. It will not cost you money to subscribe. Just click the subscribe button is below there. Just click subscribe and like so that whenever updates come up like this, you will be the first to see. I used to tell people that I'm one of the unique traders because I don't just trade the way people. I don't do my analysis. I don't trade the way other people around trade. And the result is showing. It's showing clearly that what I'm telling you is the fact. Now, please, I want to share my screen with you guys so that you will see the good trade we are currently on. Okay, first of all, let me share this. Share. Whoa. You are welcome inside of my screen. You are welcome inside of my screen. Well, as you can see, what's going on? I took this trade yesterday when this trade was making this aggressive move towards this zone. I knew it's going to break. I told you that I can predict when a zone will break. And before the breakers happen, I'm already in this trade, guys. I'm already in this trade. If you look at, okay, let me just drag this below here. Okay, if you look at, let me go to a higher time frame. If you look at, this is the daily candle. If you look at this, you're going to see the number of pips. This trade has smashed our TP over 5,000 pips. And currently I am going in for two entry. I am already two entry. One has closed yesterday, one closed. Okay, this morning it closed over 5,000 pips. The next one is going target. I took this trade today. This one, the zone, I saw the consolidation. I told you that whenever the market breaks a zone, I'm expecting accumulation to come back and give you some accumulation. And this is just what happened. It gives this accumulation. I know is going back. So I took this trade today, and currently I am running on over 1,000 pips plus. This is just 2,100 pips target profit. Why the one of 5,000 is close and locked in. Gold is paying us big time this time, guys. Gold is paying. I tried to flip an account of a friend yesterday trading gold. I flipped the account so aggressively. Mm. I flipped the account so aggressively. Okay, guys. So I took this trade. I was able to flip the friend's account from what it was. I gave him back 100. The trade gave us 100% return of investment, guys. Gold is really paying us this season because we know how to trade gold. So, guys, now remember I told you that time gold made an aggressive move below. When gold break, made an all-time high. Remember, I speculated. I was the first person to speculate. I told you heard it first here, that gold is going to make a new all-time high. And well, that just happened, guys. Gold made a new all-time highs and dropped aggressively below. A lot of people start selling gold. I told you later came, if you watch the video, gold updates, the second video about gold update. I told you that despite the fact that I saw this aggressive move below, that I have not confirmed gold selling. Okay, as far as we are below this major trend, above this major trend, we know that so I know that this trade is going to, like, gold is not yet confirmed for the sell. I told somebody, don't sell gold yet. We are in decision period. But I still told you that I am 60% bullish, 40% bearish. I know that the market generally is still bullish. Look at it, guys. US are cutting interest rates. Look at what is happening in the world. People tend to buy gold because of at this particular period we are in the world. So for gold to have made this all-time high, that should tell you that this thing you saw here was aggression. This thing you saw here was strong rejection. It's anxiety that caused this type of trade. And what are we seeing? The market is aggressively going back. So gold made this retracement. It's fair. NFP came out last week. If gold wanted to move for a sell, those news, MFP came out. NFP could not pull gold below. NFP just made gold to trade a little bit down below. There was no volatility. You can imagine that major news. CPI came out this week. CPI could not drive gold. I knew from these two that happened, and I saw this my previous structure. I told you head and shoulder, I traded this gold that I banged over 2,000 pips. Now the market came off the zone. Look at this candle, this formation right here. If you look at it, it will tell you that it came to find a support in the right shoulder of the head and shoulders pattern, guys. The right shoulder of the head and shoulders. That was where the market retraced. Let me just put this. The market retraced to that point. This is my head, this is my right shoulder, this is my left shoulder, guys. You saw what happened. The market came to that zone and did this stuff, this setup. This looks like a pure morning star. A pure morning star. The 1, 2, 3. And this candle engulfed this on a daily time frame. I know that the retracement is over. So all of this move here, the retracement is over, guys. They are ready to push gold. I told you whenever market form a structure, it's not going just to give you small amount of pips. They go for the big meat. And that is just what is happening right now. Gold has retrained, find support in the right shoulder of the head and shoulders pattern, head and shoulders. And I know that the market is boom. So I was able to take this trade when it was coming aggressively. The best preferred way, but I am an aggressive trader. You don't trade the way I trade though. But then if you want to be on the safer side, you wait for the breakout of this neckline. This was the previous neckline of the head and shoulder. So market was coming aggressively. I told you I can predict when a market can break a zone or when a zone will hold. I knew that this zone would be broken. So I took this trade before this market could break this shoulder, this neckline of the head and shoulders pattern. And then what happened? The market aggressively pulled above it. Today, the market came in with this other green candle and closed out this on TP, banging in over 5,000 pips. Guys, I said 5,000 pips is not a beans. In Forex, how many people do that? Guy, this is why they call me the beast. I've cracked it. Forex, in fact, Forex has dealt with me, and I'm dealing with it right now. I'm dealing with it, guy. This is years of hard work and all that. So I was able to bank 5,000 pips. Currently, the second trade is running, is close to TP. let me use a lower time frame so that you will be able to see. Okay, see where the TP. I'm speculating that it's going to hit my TP at 2058 target profit. That's where gold is going to 2058. Okay, so this is it, guys. Gold has given us, and what am I speculating? Guys, I'm speculating that gold is going back to the all-time highs. If you are trading gold, don't think of selling gold. I'm warning you, gold will take you back to your village. You will start saying that your village people is after you. Your village people is not after you, guys. You don't know what's up. You don't know what's going on in this thing. When you understand the logic, I told you whenever there is a sharp break in the zone, there's going to be a consolidation. If you go and watch my video, how to know when a support or resistance will break. I told you when market come like this, I'm expecting this stuff. This is like an accumulation and then it's going to pull back. And this is just what is going on right now. It's accumulating to pull back. So guys, I'm perfectly bullish on gold. No bias with it. No doubt in my mind. I'm bullish on gold. For all of you that have been selling gold, I told you that is a risky business to do. I think your stop loss must have been hit by now. Don't sell gold. Don't sell gold. The big boys are bullish and you want to be bearish, guys. Who gives liquidity to the market? Is it you or the big guys? The big boys that give liquidity to this market, and they are on bullish, but they will not tell you that they are on bullish. You only see price action and see how the price behaves. Then you'll be able to know their range, their direction, and trade off of that direction. Then you are keeping yourself at higher possibility of winning the trade. I told you that I speculated gold, that I said gold is bullish, and I'm not looking at any bearish signal. That time this market came aggressively below the stuff and pull back like this. A lot of people say, okay, this is the all-time high. It has given us a strong rejection. This rejection candle. Let's start selling gold. Though some of you must have taken profit and all that. But if you are selling gold for the long time, your stop must have been hit by now, guys. Your stop, because gold have retraced over 5,000 pips. 5,000 pips back to the top upside. So no matter what your stop loss would have been, you are out. This has jammed all the dumb traders that doesn't want to use their ears to hear. Gold has taken all of you out. Sorry, catch you, see you later. So that is what has happened in gold. So I'm still bullish. My target profit is not, the second target is not hit. The first target is all 5,000 piece. Bang, 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 bang. The account I flipped, I turned around yesterday. The owner of the account was happy. I gave back 100% return of investment. This is good. This is good to know. Currently now, I'm bullish and the market is a little bit 40 to 50% of my overall target for this second trade. This second trade, mind you, I'm speculating, I'm targeting 2,165, 65 pips. But the 5,000 on the big meat has hit 5,000 pips. And I know the market is coming to this resistance zone. We come to this resistance zone before it reacts. If you look at the daily chart, you will see that all this thing, you're not seeing it. It's just two aggressive candles. And when you see aggressive candles like this, that should tell you that something is going on. This is the kind of candles I look at for, even when I draw my support and resistance, which I've taught you. Guys, please, I'm sorry. My network is kind of slow today. I don't know what's happening. Maybe I should be thinking of migrating out of Nigeria soonest, because I'm doing a video with the kind of poor network in Nigeria is very bad. Very bad. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, so my screen is hanging. Okay, we are back. And okay, guys, so this is it. Now I want to make another announcement, guys. It's so much profit all over. GBP NZD, the trade I've been holding for 3 weeks right now. GBP NZD have taken out my TP1. Look at that. The first TP has been smashed out yesterday. It came off and smashed. And what is happening now? Some persons will say it is buying. Guys, it's not buying. This is retracement, guy. I know these people. I know how they behave. As far as we are below this trend, we are below this general trend. This general trend, we are bearish. Now, this counter trend that we are still below it. So it's a clear confirmation that it's bearish. What GBP NZD is doing now, as it's coming aggressively like this, I know what it wants to do. The level it wants to touch here is coming here. And once it touch here, you see the aggressive move downward. This pair is a pair that I have understand very well. Look at what it's trying to do. It's trying to do something like this, and then boom, pump, pump, live and direct. It's going to test this zone, and boom. That's what it's doing. If I look at my TDI, my traders dynamic index, it's oversold rather. That is why you see that retracement. Whenever you see the TDI oversold, just know that there's going to be retracement to correct it, so that the market will, because if the market goes out of the volatility band, it will definitely correct back enter before making any downward movement. That is just what happened. The TDI came off of the volatility band, and then we are inside it. So any moment from now, the downward trend will continue. So I'm watching this trade closely. I should be thinking of taking another entry if the market comes this zone, because I know this zone is a honey pot. This is the zone I call honey pot. This move, when market reach here, it's going to spike aggressively down below. I know them. I know how they behave, and I know this pair. Okay. So that is for that. GBP NZD has smashed our TP 500 pips bang. Guys, I call these pips. I was talking to somebody yesterday. I was calling you guys, what is it really possible? Because some of them, the max they can target is 50. Some even do, if they do 100, is a big win. I told you, I don't trade like the day trader. I trade like the hedge funds, position traders. We look at the future and predict 500 pips into the future. GBP NZD, I've been holding GBP NZD. All this while GBP NZD was playing around the zone, I was holding. GBP NZD was playing around the zone, I was doing. Yesterday, after it came aggressively to close to this zone, they pulled aggressive. In fact, the market smashed the TP. This movement alone gives us the targets that we needed. And we are done this trade. We are only looking at for this more opportunity to sell. But GBP NZD, has it finished this downward movement? The answer is a typical no. Why do we say no? We are not saying, we are still bearish, okay? And the overall target I told you is this zone. Let me clean up this. Let me clean up the stuff. This is why I am targeting GBP NZD to drop to before anything. This zone, this 1.97364, this zone is where I'm targeting GBP NZD to come to. It's going to sell. So if it sells that like that, we know we are targeting, this is 800 to 1,000 pips target, general target. So guys, this is an update I want to, I decided to come and show you. The trades we took has all closed down. Where the AUD USD trade, you know, we will tell you when it's correct. We also tell you when it went south against our speculation. This AUD ends, I remember I told you about this trade. I saw the behavior, and the news that came yesterday took off this trade aggressively. Okay, so the trade, the AUD USD trade, it came off. It was a good setup, but then what happened? The news came and it boom aggressively. Now, what I did not check, guys, for this trade, I did not remember to check the Euro AUD. This was correlation. The Euro AUD, I speculated that it's going to fall over 800 pips, and it has hit our TP for 400 pips. So if Euro AUD is going to sell, that means AUD will be strong. This was what I failed to check. Correlation is a key to be able to know the pairs you should be trading. If AUD USD will be buying, that means generally if AUD USD will be buying, Euro AUD should be selling. But how can AUD USD buy and Euro USD sell? How can AUD USD sell and Euro USD sell? It doesn't add up. So when you see stuff like that, the market is misbehaving. Leave that pair, don't trade. So I refuse to check the correlation. It was after this thing happened, then I now remember that I was shorting Euro AUD. So that shows that Euro AUD will have strength. We have strength. Okay. AUD will have strength. So if AUD will have strength, that means Euro AUD should be buying. So where the trade gave us 20 pip in profit and took everything out and smashed the stop loss. But we are good because already we are breaking even. For those who do not break even, because I dropped the signal on my Telegram channel, for those who do not break even, sorry guys, that is what it is. The trade going against us. But this for this month, this is the only loss. I will not say it's loss, it's break even for me, but for some who have been taking the trade, this is the only loss we have gotten this month. The rest of our trade has been banging back to back, guys. We are milking it. So guys, the same thing happened with the GBP USD, but the GBP USD, a lot of people have closed the trade, and because the trade gave us 70%, 75% of our target. So we've already broken even before the reversal happened, the crazy reversal, because of the FOMC news that came out yesterday. And then GBP USD became very weak. That was why we saw that aggressive move on gold. USD was weak. So all the pair that was paired with USD was driving USD like crazy. Now DSY, look at DSY. DSY is falling aggressively. When you see this move, the movement you are seeing, guys, is not just a small, it's a momentum movement. When you see a movement aggressively from this zone, breaking out of this zone, that should tell you that it is done, that's breaking this zone. The highest thing it will do, you just come here, do like this, form M structure and drop. This is what we should. So if dollar index is selling, that means that dollar is weak. So if you are trading Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, you should not be selling, guys. The reverse should be the case when other conferences meet. Should not be selling because dollar is weak at this point. So that means since dollar is weak, what do you think will be happening to gold? Gold will be on the upside move. That is why we are banging it. Look at, we are making gold. We are making gold. So guys, you'll be watching my videos and you'll be thinking, is this guy really good trader? I don't care whether you say I'm a good trader or not. The major thing is that you'll be there speculating and thinking, if I'm a good trader, I'm here making money. So whether you come on board, you learn or you don't learn, whether you watch my videos or I make money. But I just did this to be able to share with a whole lot of people who are struggling in this thing. If you come to my channel to be watching my videos and practice the things I tell you, you will always be right. When I tell you that I'm 8 out of 10 times right, 9 out of 10 times right, you have been seeing the results so far. I am on it. I am making it. Guys, I'm always right. The reason why I'm right, because there's a whole lot I've put together. This is years of experience. So guys, that is that for this. So where are we in the stream of time? What pairs are we looking at? Where? Okay, let me start from the pairs I have here. Euro USD I think if you want to check the reversal, I think Euro USD should be on the upside, but I'm not trading Euro USD. I told you, I don't trade a pair reversal until it breaks my general trend. Sorry. This is not my general, this is my general trend. Until Euro USD come off this zone and give me structure here for a bullish move, then I will be buying. But for now, dollar is weak. That's why this thing is happening. This market might come here and then start dropping again. That is why I am not trading Euro USD for now. What about Euro AUD? Well, Euro AUD, I'm looking at this pair very closely because I want to sell. I'm looking at selling this group. So when the market take off this zone, this environment, I know the market is coming here. So the market has given us over 320 pips profit target, and the next profit target is 1.58805 zone. Okay, so if the market takes this out, I'm going to short this thing for how many pips? I'm going to short it for 350 pips profit target. So add 350 pips to 320, that's over close to 700 pips. That's what I'm speculating for Euro USD, AUD, Euro AUD to fall. Now, what about Euro USD? Euro USD, okay. I think this market has hit the small scalping I was doing for somebody. I'm not talking about it. So Euro USD have broken my trend. Okay, it has broken the first trend. It's coming here. So for now, I'm not touching the Euro AUD. I want to see a clear breakout to the upside. Then I know I should be buying Euro USD. I'm looking at what is happening. USD pairs are trying to arrange themselves. They are not yet to be traded now. For me, I don't know your strategy of trading. I don't know what you trade. It's not my business. But for me, hands-free Euro USD, I'm not trading. AUD USD, I am not trading for now. Then GBP USD. GBP USD, I am not trading as well because GBP USD has not broken my overall trend. Look at my overall trend line, but it's very close to it. So two things might happen. It might come here, find support and drop, or it might come here and break aggressively. If it breaks aggressively, then I know that GBP USD, it has changed, has converted from the sell side to the buy side. Then I should be looking at a buying opportunity. So for now, GBP USD, AUD USD, Euro USD, I'm hands-free. I am not trading. GBP NZD, you know that I'm still bearish on this trade. I'm waiting for the market to come off of this zone, and I trigger a sell because I know it's going to snipe. That place is snipe. Once price reach a price drop to cut. Once it reach a price will cut. It has been happening. I know it's going to happen. So I'm looking at that zone very, very well. Let me use another plain chart for you to see what's going on. GBP NZD. This is the zone I'm talking about. Look at that zone. Look at, it's a knife. Look at the aggressive move below. So I'm waiting for this market to come in here and give me a bearish signal. Then I'm selling. I'm selling aggressively. Now, Euro NZD. Wow, this is another pair I decided to start looking at because of the GBP NZD. I know correlation. I tried to check correlation. I saw a very nice pattern. Look at this chart pattern, this multi-session N. I call this the 22 trade. When you have information forming on a multi-session, is not to be neglected. And on a daily time frame, guys, this is a structure we are looking at. This breakout of the trend, counter trend, is now, the market is now bearish. Okay, and this is daily candle. So I'm waiting for the market to break this zone. It came shy of the area and then pull back. Well, I know that the next time it's coming, it's going to break it. And once the market break it, I'm shorting this market. This is my overall targeted zone. So I'm shorting this market for how many pips? 650, 630, okay, around 650 pips. Yes, 650 pips target. So I'm speculating that Euro NZD will fall 650 pips target. Well, now DSY, I've talked about it. Now Phantom, what is the coin? This coin was one of the coin I called that. Phantom has broken the former resistance, and we know Sam Phantom is pulling. I told you guys that Phantom, I'm speculating Phantom to come to 0.55 zone, which I know is very close to it. Phantom has hit about 0.55 zone. You know, it's close, it's coming, it's around 0.42 cents per coin. You remember I speculated, I called this coin when it was 29 cents. Now it has pulled from 29 cents to 42 cents. So that means those who enter this market is wallowing on serious profit. I call that another coin. I call that three coins, Solana. Let's check Solana and see what's going on with Solana. I remember I talked about Solana when it was $55 per coin. Let's see what Solana is at this point. Well, now Solana is trading at $72 per coin. $72 per coin, and I'm speculating from what I told you last time that I'm speculating that Solana is coming to the $137 per coin. So we still have a lot of move to the upside. So all the coins I call at, they are moving. They are on point. Now, BTC, the big boy, BTC. What is BTC doing? Remember, I told you BTC is coming to $48,000 per coin zone, and we are already at 42K. So BTC is coming close to our expected zone, speculated zone. That's to tell you guys that we are always right. I am right, guys. I'm brag this thing. They call me the beast. Let me brag a little. Let's call it. Okay, I'm just joking with you. But guys, this is it. You are seeing the result live and direct. And a whole lot of people have been able to help flip the account by the signals I give free of charge. I'm not charging you guys. When if you're a trader, humble yourself. Most forex traders don't humble themselves. They will tell you they are good, they are good, they are good, they are good. But they are struggling. I've been there. Forget it. I've been there. Just open up and say, guy, I'm finished. Come and help me. Then I will help you and I tell you what's going on in this market. This market is a market that is bigger than you. Market is worth $5.3 trillion turnover on the daily market. So there are a whole lot of big boys, big players driving this market. So you have to be smart to pull money from their pocket and put in your pockets, guys. So guys, that is the update I decided to make this video so that you guys will see that all the speculation I gave are on point. They are direct, they are moving according to plan. I don't trade like that. I'm not a retail trader. Once I place my trade, I close my system and I go along hanging out with my family. I don't click my screen to be looking for opportunities here and there that does not exist. Once I take my trade, I'm off of the screen. I go about doing my business, doing other things. I only check my chart once times in a day to see how the trade is running. In that way, I'm trading emotionally less. Could you imagine that, guys? Could you imagine that I was able to flip a $7 account, $7 account, just a play. I flip a $47 to $50 in 3 days. I did not day trade, just one trade. I speculated pips into the future and it banged. Just $7. That is crazy, it's crazy, crazy, crazy. Somebody just in the street, I just said, let me use this $7 and trade. Remember, $7 is very small, but because of leverage, I was able to enter the position. My stop loss was on point. In fact, if the market had gone against me, it would have taken $15. So my broker would have closed the trade even before my stop loss hit. But I know my direction. I know where the market was in. The market did not hit my stop loss. The market did not even take anything from me. It just pulled from where I entered it, and the market banged, bang. And at the close of that trade, I was seeing $50 in that account. So guys, what I'm telling you is something. If you want to learn what it is, always follow my channel. Share this channel with your friends, especially those who are trading forex, who want to come into the forex industry, who are struggling. I like people who are struggling. So when I'm telling you, your market has already humbled you. So when I'm telling you, you say yes. What I'm saying is the truth. But if you are a new trader, you will not really understand what I'm saying because the market has not bite you. It is only those that the market has bite. When you are telling them, they will now understand. They will be resonating with what you are saying because they have tried a whole lot of things that have not worked. So these are the people I'm looking for. So hit the like button, subscribe. I want to take you off of my screen now. You are off of my screen. So guys, that is that for that. I'll keep updating you on the trades, how the trades go, and then I'll also keep updating you the market, the pair we are looking at trading, and a whole lot of that. Okay. The next video too, I'm also preparing a video that will explain how to know if a support and resistance will break. I've done the video, but I'm bringing in the part 2. The part 2 here I'm going to discuss in details what you will see to know that the zone will break and how to take your trades off of those zones. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I am signing out right now. Goodbye.